Mother's Mag aluminum polish. Hope it's in screen, I can't see with too much sunlight. Last time I did this lens was about 2 years ago. This stuff works great on a lot of things. It works great on the bottom of your old Farberware pans, the handles of your Farberware pans, clear plastic, as you'll see here. When I first did this, it was very yellow, but I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind a little bit. We'll just wipe it on. You don't have to use any force. It's a very, very fine paste. And then, I don't know if you can see the dirt that comes off on the paper towel. And then you buff. And you, more dirt. And then you buff. Now it may take a couple of tries here. There's a lot of crud. I'm just going to do the whole lens. Now it'll last a long time, but like I said, if you really want to protect the lens, look how dirty that is. That's sun damage. Use a clear paper, new paper towel. If you really want to protect this, you will have to put a clear coat on there. That was a lot. You don't have to put that much on. It's almost like insta-clear. I would call Mother's Mag Wonder Clean and Polish. All right. Let's like I said, you don't have to, no pressure. Look at that yellow. It may take a couple of passes. Now that is one clean headlight. And that is our tutorial for this morning. Trust me, this stuff works. Thanks for watching.